Amy's life. Chapter 2. Oh, what's happening? Cried Amy. I'm getting taller and taller. She looked down. Goodbye, feet. Who will put your shoes on for you now? I can't do it. I'll give you some new shoes for Christmas. I'll have to send them to. In a short time, Amy was more than 3 meters high. I want to go into that garden, she thought. She took the little key from the table. Then, she went to the door and opened it. But, she was too big and couldn't go through it. She sat down and began to cry again. Because she was very big, her tears were very big too. Amy, stop it this minute. Don't cry, she said, but she couldn't stop the big tears, and, after a time, there was water everywhere. She heard the sound of small feet. She looked down, and there was the white rabbit again. He had his best clothes on, and, in one hand, he had a white hat. Oh, the Duchess, he said. She'll be angry with me because I'm late. When the mouse heard this, it turned round. It swam slowly back. All right, it said. I'll talk to you, but let's get out of the water. They climbed out, and Amy looked round. There were a lot of animals and birds in the water. When they saw her, they got out of the water too. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.